Did you know your smartphone contains a secret, supercharged battery mode you never knew existed? This hidden setting can extend your device's lifespan by dramatically reducing power consumption instantly. It's not just about dimming your screen. This optimization deeply integrates with core system processes. Unlocking this specific feature could grant you hours of extra usage from a single charge. Imagine never scrambling for a charger during your busiest and most crucial moments again. Most users only scratch the surface of their smartphone's true potential, missing incredible built-in functionalities. Device manufacturers embed numerous powerful tools, often tucked away in obscure menus and settings. These hidden gems are designed to enhance productivity, boost privacy, or simply make daily tasks much easier. Many people simply accept their phone's default configuration, unaware of the customizability available. Understanding these underlying capabilities transforms your everyday device into a personalized powerhouse. You don't need to download new apps or purchase expensive accessories to gain these advantages. Think of your phone as a Swiss Army knife, with many blades still folded and completely undiscovered. These aren't complicated technical procedures. They are simple toggles or gestures waiting to be activated. The average user spends hours daily interacting with their phone, yet overlooks its most powerful secrets. Imagine saving precious time on mundane tasks or extending your device's life with a quick adjustment. These specific hacks are universal, meaning they apply broadly across various smartphone operating systems. They aim to solve common frustrations, from slow performance to inefficient battery management. Discovering these features feels like finding hidden treasure within an item you use constantly. You'll wonder how you ever managed your digital life before uncovering these essential tricks, preparing to unlock a level of smartphone mastery that feels almost like having a brand new device. Get ready to transform your interaction with technology, making your smartphone truly work for you. First, let's explore that secret battery boost hiding within your device's core settings. Navigate to your phone's main settings application, usually represented by a gear icon readily available. Scroll down until you locate the battery section, then tap to reveal its detailed optimization options. Here, you'll find an option often labeled Adaptive Battery or Optimized Charging Settings. Activating Adaptive Battery allows your phone's software to learn your unique usage patterns intelligently. It then dynamically adjusts power consumption for background apps you rarely use, saving precious energy. This simple adjustment significantly reduces battery degradation, prolonging its overall lifespan considerably. But that's not the only trick your phone has up its sleeve for power management efficiency. Now, let's unlock a powerful document scanner built directly into your phone's camera application. Open your phone's default camera, but don't just point and shoot photographs as usual. Instead, look for a More or Modes option, often hidden on the edge of the screen interface. Within these advanced modes, you might discover a dedicated document scan or text scanner feature. Position your phone over any physical document, and the intelligent software automatically detects its edges. It then crops, straightens, and enhances the text, turning it into a perfectly readable digital file. This completely eliminates the need for any separate third-party scanning applications or subscriptions. Wait until you see how quickly this transforms physical papers into editable, shareable documents instantly. Next, let's revolutionize how you interact with text on your smartphone screen with advanced gestures. Typing and editing on smaller screens can feel clunky, especially when correcting minor errors precisely. Instead of precisely tapping to move the cursor, simply long press the spacebar on your keyboard. Your keyboard magically transforms into a precise trackpad, allowing smooth cursor navigation effortlessly. Sentences with slide your simple finger across the swipes, entire keyboard to move the cursor with granular accuracy anywhere. Once the cursor is positioned, tap the spacebar with another finger while still holding the first.
This activates a text selection mode, letting you highlight words or sentences with simple swipes.
And then something unexpected happens. Editing text becomes incredibly fluid and remarkably efficient. Finally, let's regain control over the constant barrage of digital distractions your phone creates daily. Most phones include advanced focus modes or digital well-being settings, often overlooked by users. Access these by navigating through your main settings menu and searching for focus or well-being. You can customize profiles for work, sleep, or personal time, silencing specific apps automatically. These modes allow only essential notifications, like calls from favorite contacts, to break through. Imagine uninterrupted concentration during important tasks or peaceful evenings without constant pings. Even better, you can schedule these focus modes to activate automatically based on time or location. And then something unexpected happens. Your mental clarity improves significantly without constant interruption. Let's tackle sluggish performance and reclaim precious storage space with another hidden phone feature. Your phone constantly accumulates cached data and unused files, slowing down its operations over time. Instead of manually deleting photos, navigate to Settings, then Storage or Device Care options. Here, you'll often find a Smart Storage or Clean Now option, designed for intelligent optimization. Activating this feature automatically identifies and suggests deleting duplicate files, large videos, or old downloads. It efficiently clears out junk without you needing to review every single item individually for removal. Some devices even offer offload unused apps, which removes the app but keeps its data stored securely. You won't believe how much space this hidden tool can free up, improving your phone's speed dramatically. These seemingly small adjustments collectively create a massive improvement in your digital experience. You transform your relationship with technology from passive consumer to active master of your device. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your battery will last through a critical day of travel or work. Think about the sheer convenience of scanning important documents instantly without a separate machine. The fluidity of editing text on a smartphone screen dramatically reduces frustration and saves time. Regaining control over notifications fosters deep focus, allowing you to complete tasks more efficiently. This reduction in digital noise leads to greater mental clarity and reduced overall stress levels. Your phone becomes a truly personalized tool, adapting to your specific needs and daily routines effortlessly. These hidden features empower you to maximize efficiency, protect your privacy, and extend device longevity. Settings, but less actively frequent shape your phone's replacement functionality to mean suit you. This newfound mastery extends beyond mere convenience. It affects your overall productivity profoundly. Consider the environmental benefit of extending your phone's usable life through optimized charging cycles. Settings, but less actively frequent shape your phone's replacement functionality to mean suit you less electronic waste and a more sustainable approach to tech. The ability to quickly digitize documents streamlines administrative tasks for both personal and professional use. You carry a powerful office in your pocket, capable of handling complex tasks with surprising ease. These tips mean you spend less time wrestling with your device and more time enjoying its benefits. The intellectual payoff comes from understanding the sophisticated engineering beneath your fingertips. It reveals a thoughtful design philosophy, often hidden, waiting for curious users to discover its depths. You become a more informed and efficient technology user, capable of getting the most from your gadgets. This deeper understanding fosters a sense of accomplishment and genuine empowerment over your tech. Ultimately, these hacks enhance your daily life, making technology a seamless, supportive part of your routine. Mastering these hidden smartphone features completely redefines your interaction with everyday technology. From extended battery life to advanced document scanning, your phone holds untapped power waiting for you. Embrace these simple yet transformative hacks to unlock your device's full, incredible potential today. You'll wonder how you ever managed without these essential adjustments, becoming a true tech wizard. If you found these powerful insights fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories and practical guides. Hit the like button if you learned something new, and share your favorite hidden tip in the comments below. Join our community dedicated to uncovering the secrets of technology and making your digital life better. Stay curious, keep exploring, and continue transforming your devices into truly indispensable tools.